Hi developers, let's discuss CSS Box Model. So it is a concept that defines the structure of an element's layout on a web page, and it consists of 4 parts. One is content, second is padding, third one border, and fourth one is margin. So what is content? It is the actual content, example some text or images, and padding is the space between the content and the border. And border, it is a line surrounding the padding. Okay, and margin, it is the space outside the border separating the elements from another elements. Okay, so let's discuss it with some example. So let's give the title as CSS Box Model. Okay, and in the body section, let's create a paragraph, or let's create some content here. Okay, in which we will give padding, margin, and border. Okay, so here is a div. Okay, so let's create a box. This is a box with padding, border, and margin. We will give CSS to it. Okay, let's create a class equals to box, and we will define this class here. So dot box. Okay, so as we see on the browser how it looks. Okay, let's run it live. We haven't given any CSS to it, so it's just a simple paragraph. This is a box with padding, border, and margin. So let's give it some styling properties. So let's give width as 200 pixel. Okay, and height as same 200 pixel. Let's give 100 pixel. Okay, and let's give padding as, let's see how it looks first. Okay, so we need to give border and padding also. So let's give border. It is 5 pixel, solid black. Okay, so it is looking like this only. We have given padding, height, and width. Okay, so now give margin. So margin will be applied here. Okay, so what is margin? It is the space outside the border separating the elements from other elements. So it is the space outside the border. This black is border, black one is border. Okay, and inside one is padding, and the space between the content and the border is padding. So let's give border, padding, and margin both. Padding is 20 pixel and margin, let's say 30 pixel. 30 pixel. Okay, and for now let's give background color blue. Background color blue or orange. Okay, so let's go to browser. Okay, so this is how it is looking. The content is 200 pixel wide and 100 pixel tall, and the padding adds 20 pixel around the content, and the border is 5 pixel thick as we have given here, and background color is showing as orange. So now let's inspect it. And we will change the properties. So you can see these are the box properties, CSS properties. Currently it is 200 pixel. Let's change the width to 400 pixel. Okay, and change the height to 200 pixel. Okay, and border we have given 5 pixel solid black. We can change it to 15 pixel. Okay, and padding is 20 pixel. So let's make the padding, increase the padding. So you can see, so the space between the content and the border is increasing. So this is the border, black one, and this is the content. This is a box width, this is the content. So you can see while increasing the padding, the content, the space between the content and the border increasing. Okay, now coming to margin. So what is margin? It is the space outside the border, separating the element from other elements. So as we are increasing the margin, you can see the space outside the border. This is the border, black one, and the space outside the border is increasing. Okay, so this is the concept. Like we can change the color. Let's make it red. Okay, so this is the concept of CSS box model.